Hey everyone, this is Katie and I'm just here to recreate, I'll show you really quickly, Aaliyah's final video, Rock the Boat. There's a, this is like the Bahamas scene and this is her, what she has on. This is exactly what I'll be recreating, the eyeshadow, the look, and the lip gloss. But yeah, that was Fatima Robinson. Her choreography took that picture of her where they were taking a break filming the Catamaran scene. And Aaliyah was my favorite R&B singer, so I'm going to try and recreate. Our skin tones are very different, obviously, but I'm going to start with the Urban Decay All Night. You can use setting spray. You can use it as a primer and a setting spray. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use by Stilla Sunset Cove. It is a metallic glitter and glow eyeshadow. So what it is, you do not need to use glitter glue. I met with the Stilla representative and she said these are wonderful. However, this shade has been discontinued. But she said you do not need to use a glitter glue. It will stay. That's what it looks like. And this lasts all day long. Use your finger to apply. I'm going to take Neutrogena makeup remover wipe and just wipe it off my finger. Next, I'm going to use a little concealer up here. And then I have severely blocked tear ducts in my eyes, so my eyes water all the time, so I'm always putting some under here. Just a little here. And then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blurring foundation brush and just blend it. I'm going to use a Stilla, and this is a brown liquid liner. Followed by CoverGirl, and this is Flourish Lash Blast, and this is in brown. And then I'm going to use the CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation. Like I said, our skin colors are very different skin tones, so a little of this, and it lasts 24 hours through sweating. Working out and whatnot, this really does last. It doesn't transfer, cross transfer onto your clothes. I really like this. Let's take another wipe. And then a great way for your liquid foundation to stay is use a brush and approximately 2 minutes. You want to fully blend in. Let me just take a look. Yeah. And then I'm going to follow it by Stilla's Kitten, and this is a highlighter. You simply use your fingers. This is what it looks like. And smile. Last but not least, I'm going to use Candy Drip by Jeffree Star and their lip gloss. So it looks like this. Very, very pretty. Fix up my eyebrows. Use my setting spray from Urban Decay. And that is it. That is the signature look that Aaliyah had, Rock the Boat catamaran scene. And I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you.